Well, I did buy 2 new trucks. These are part of the Skillet truck collection. A half-ton. We're going to keep this one a 3/4 ton. And after that, we got our true 1-ton here. They're all metallic colors, all black. We're going to put flames on this truck. And as for the square body, we're keeping it like this one. And every Skillet truck will have a casting crowns on the hood of it. So there will be a casting crowns on the hood of this one and the hood of this one. So we can put this in the collection. I am going to get rid of that truck maybe next month sometime. That one. And that one. So, I just don't know what day I want to do it, but it'd be next month sometime. After a month's over. That's when I'm going to sell it. I will have an episode, so this is just talk time on the game Off-Road Outlaws. I'm sorry about that. So, it looks like it's snowing in this game. Ooh, it's got chilly today or something. It is sure got chilly. So, enjoy your Christmas break next week, you guys and girls. And God bless you, and have a Merry Christmas. If I don't get to see you soon, still have a Merry Christmas. And God bless you guys. And God bless the USA. And God bless the children that doesn't have any parents this Christmas. So, I'll see you soon. And God bless you all. And have a happy, wonderful, and God blesseth year next year. Enjoy.